Hi there, welcome to this week's Caravan. I just saw 6120 Buena Vista Terrace here in Highland Park. What a stunner. This is an absolutely gorgeous home. 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,400 square foot living space on a little over a 9,000 square foot lot. Walk in with a very large front yard. To the right, a patio that you can overlook the views when you first walk in. Open floor plan. Just really a stunning home. Two of the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms, which is great. And the third bedroom is being used as an office now, but you take a few steps up, which gives it a really cool feel. I like that a lot. I amble around to the back, and there's a nice seating area there, hang out, barbecue, lots of space. And then you go up a little further, and there's a bonus studio that includes a powder room. So this is really a stunning home, listed with Courtney and Kurt at $1.299 million. All right, off to the next one. I just saw 6130 Roy Street here in Highland Park. This is a really nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath California bungalow. Interesting because it looks really kind of small when you walk up to it, so I was really pleased that when you walk in it feels a lot more spacious. It's a little over 1,500 square feet. 2 good-sized bedrooms upstairs with a really large Jack and Jill bathroom in between. The front bedroom has a really cool little patio seating area, which was nice. And I love that the master ensuite is downstairs and has its own space. Tons of closets, really nice light. The backyard has a seating area if you want to dine al fresco, a grass area, play with the kids, dog, whatever. Really large carport. So really this home has a lot to offer. It's listed for $799,000 with Alistair Duncan and Peter Lavin of the Beechwood team. All right, I'll see you next week. And if you're interested in any of these or know anybody who might be, please let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.